What's up, you guys? It's Ben. So, today's video, I wanted to talk about the mistakes that most sellers make. Okay, there are so many mistakes that sellers make coming from product research, finding the wrong product when it comes to selling on Amazon, miscalculating their figures, and not understanding how much fees there are when it comes to selling on Amazon, or what's the return on investment when it comes to selling on Amazon, not understanding how to use PPC and advertising correctly, not understanding of how to product launch correctly. There is so much to learn when it comes to selling on Amazon, and it can be quite overwhelming. So what I decided to do is I'm actually going to do something that I don't think or have seen any other YouTuber do it. Okay, I personally have been selling on Amazon for 2 years relatively successfully. I now have over 30 products and have made over £500,000 in just under 2 years. So if you are interested in any sort of help or support, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put my personal email in the comment below. Okay, and if you do like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and then email me with your questions, and that can be absolutely anything related to Amazon. So if you're just thinking about Amazon and selling on Amazon as a side hustle, and you just want to sell 500 to £1,000 a month and you don't know how to get started, email me. If you have found a potential product but you're too nervous about pulling the trigger and you just want me to run over the numbers, email me. If you have potentially found a product but it's not selling, if for some odd reason people are not just buying your product and you don't know why, email me. If you don't know how shipping works, if you don't know how speak to suppliers to get the best possible price, email me. Okay, I am here to help completely free of charge, because I don't have a big channel or anything like that at the moment at all, so I don't expect many of you to email me. But if you do need help, I am here to support you as much as I can, completely free of charge. Okay, all you have to do to help me out is please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to speak with you soon.